how to add credit card to the Nintendo Switch. So what we want to do is click on our profile icon here in the top left. Now, once we're taken to the profile, we want to scroll down until we see user settings. So just click on user settings here. And then right here, we will scroll down until we see an option for Nintendo eShop settings. Just click on it and it's gonna open up the Nintendo eShop page here. So just give it some time and you will see this. So credit card information not saved. So if we want to add a credit card, we'll just click on save here. And it will load up a new page where we can input our debit or credit card information like so. So it accepts Visa and MasterCard, and we can type out our info here, the expiry date and the security code, which can be found on the back. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.